iOS 26 Beta 1 is finally here, and this is an amazing update with a redesign and a ton of new features and changes. So in this video, I will show you guys 10 of the coolest new features of iOS 26. Now before we get into all that, I just want to ask you for a really quick favor. I've noticed that most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel, so if you enjoy the videos and you want to see more of them, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out a lot. And we're starting things off with estimated time to charge. This will show you how much time you have left until your iPhone is actually charged, and you will see it right there at the top of your lock screen. So if we go like this, you can see once we wake up the screen, it shows right there how much is charged and how much it needs to charge to 80%. Once it's above 80%, it will show you also how much time it needs to charge to 100%. Now you will also find this feature by going into the battery section. So if you go right here at the top, you will see it's charging, and it shows you the minutes to 80% and then how much time it will need to reach 100%. Now the new visual intelligence for on-screen objects, or whatever that is amazing. So you can simply take a screenshot of whatever is on your screen, and you will have the option here to do an image search. Even though currently it says Google is unavailable, we'll have to try that later. Or you can just go ahead and ask ChatGPT directly from here what is basically on the screen and give you any extra information about that object currently on the screen. The preview app is also here. Finally, we get the preview app on iOS. The app that you have probably used on Mac is now available for iOS and iPadOS as well. So you will have your recent files right here. You can go ahead and browse your files. You will have the shared files as well. Now from here, you will be able to actually go ahead and edit your files like photos or PDF files that you might have here. You will have the markdown tools right here. And if we go back, we can even go ahead and just load a PDF file here. And as you can see, once I have loaded the PDF file, I can go ahead and mark it up, edit the PDF file from here, or I can just go ahead and crop it if I want to. I can just go ahead and search for anything I want into that PDF file. It's actually pretty cool. Tapping there, you will have the ability to rotate or go to any page you want, or even in some cases use visual intelligence directly on your PDF file. Now, one of the coolest features that I've seen Apple add to iOS 26 is on the phone app. It is called Hold Assist. Now, whenever you have called somewhere to a service or something like that, to a company, you know, they put you on hold and you will have that music going on until an agent is free to talk to you. Well, what this feature will do on the phone app is that once it recognizes that music and that you're on hold, it will basically hold the line for you, so you don't have to stay on the phone app. You will actually be able to do anything else you want on the device, work anything other on the device than that, or maybe even just do anything else you want. And once the agent is available to talk to you, it will actually notify you and you can get back on that call. The next feature is on the clock app. So when you go to the clock app and you go to set an alarm, now when you go to one of your alarms that you had set previously, or when you create a new alarm, you can actually choose the snooze duration. Now, you know the default is 9 minutes. It always has been like this. You can go ahead and change there to up to 15 minutes, as easy as that. So from 1 minute to 15, you can now finally choose the snooze time. Now, Apple has done a lot on the battery section here. Now, you can notice once you go here, everything looks different, but you will also have something right here called power mode. And when you go here, we'll have the old low power mode, but you will also have something called adaptive power. So when your battery usage is higher than usual, iPhone can basically make small performance adjustments to extend the battery life of your device, including slightly lowering the display brightness or allowing some activities to take a little longer, so it will actually save battery life, which is really awesome. And as you can see right here, it says low power mode might turn on at 20%. So it's basically a way for the iPhone to manage the battery in order to give you higher or basically longer battery life. And we're back here on the phone app. Another cool feature is called call screening. So when you get a call from like an unknown number, it will automatically answer the call, but it won't like answer the call so you won't talk to it. It will actually just answer the call and just get the information. So when the other number will basically call and talk, maybe let you know who they are or something like that, then it will show you on the screen who's calling and what they have said, and then you can actually choose to pick up your call. That's another amazing feature. It will be great for your privacy, so when an unknown number calls you, you basically know before who that is and whether you want to pick up or not. Another great feature on iOS 26 is the live translation. Now you will be able to use that on the Messages app. On Messages, you can get a message from another language and it will be translated to your language. Now that will work also with the phone app and the FaceTime app, but here it works a bit different. You will see the translation on the screen as the call goes on, but you will also get the voice translation. So the other person will speak on another language and you will basically hear the words on your language. So that's really amazing. It will be super useful for a ton of people, especially if you're working from a company maybe out of your country or something like that. You have to talk to like people with different languages that you don't speak, then it will be a lifesaver. Now one that I really like is the new auto mix for the music app. Now if you use Apple Music, this will be really cool. So basically what it does is that it will automatically mix the songs for you. So when transitioning from one song to another, you will basically have that cool mix, just like it would be maybe a DJ playing the music. It actually is pretty cool. Now here's another one that might be like a small feature, but it's actually super useful and I really like this feature. So on a message on iMessage, previously you could just like copy this message just like this, but now you can actually tap the select button right there and you can just go ahead and choose which text you want to copy. So you can select and copy text within a bubble on the iMessage app. So that is it for this video, guys, but of course this is a big update and we'll have to do a ton of videos on this update as it's actually filled with features. And once you get this update on your device and you start using it, you will actually just find features and see new features every second. It's actually filled with new features that are super useful, most of them, and of course a lot of them that will make your iPhone better and even look nicer. So if you don't want to miss any of the next videos, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will be releasing a ton of videos in the upcoming days on all the new features and everything you need to know regarding the new iOS 26. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Again, smash that like button and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys on the next one.